Amiga, grab your coffee and make sure it's hot because this tea, it's steaming. Y'all don't believe me? I'm making my mom do coffee for her and me. Hot. Bueno, so Tina decided to grow some balls because this girl has some nerve. And on Friday, you know, we didn't go to therapy. And I guess she decided, that is weird that Santi didn't go to therapy, right? Guess what she did? Just guess. Huh? I can't hear you, girl. Say it louder. Tina texted Poopy. I know you just said, oh, hell no. Yup, she did, girl. Now, I have a receipt. Así que siéntate if you just stood up because I know, you jumped out of your bed like, what the hell? She wrote, hola, Santi. Her keyboard got stuck or what? Because last time I checked, my man's name didn't have so many eyes. There's like 20 eyes here. And then she goes, ¿por qué no llegaste a la terapia? ¿Estás bien? Me dejas saber si necesitas algo. You know what I wrote her? I wrote her a paragraph. Hola, soy Valeria, la esposa de Santiago. Él está bien y no fue por razones personales que la verdad no te importan. Si él necesita algo, le va a dar a uno de los enfermeros o a alguien. Y por favor no le escriba a mi esposo que él no te ha dado la confianza para escribirle. Me parece un poquito de falta de respeto. Muchas gracias. Bye. Monday is gonna be very interesting.